Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you a complete foolproof guide on how to edit your PDFs using Docusign, the full 2025 method. Whether you need to fix a typo, update key details, or add new information to an important document, this step-by-step walkthrough will make the process effortless. Let's dive right in so you can master it in minutes. Access Docusign. First, open your browser and go to docusign.com. Log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, just click Sign Up and follow the quick registration steps. Having an account is essential because editing tools are only available once you're signed in. Navigate the dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your Docusign home dashboard. This is your main workspace. From here, you can see your existing documents and templates. Choose or upload your PDF. Next, select the document you want to edit. You can either pick an existing template from your saved files or upload a new PDF by clicking New and then send an envelope. If you're using a template, simply click to open it. Add recipient details. Before you start editing, Docusign asks for recipient details like names and email addresses. This is important because after editing, you might want to circulate the updated document for signatures. Fill in these details accurately to avoid delays. Later, enter the editing mode. Once the recipient info is ready, hit Next to proceed. On the top menu, find and click the Actions button. From the drop-down, choose Edit Documents. This is the key feature that unlocks Docusign's built-in PDF editor. Make your edits. You're now in the editing interface. Here you can change text directly on the page to fix typos or update outdated information. Add new text boxes for additional notes or instructions. Remove or replace sections of content you no longer need. The tools are intuitive, so just click on any element to start modifying it. Save and send. When you're happy with the changes, click Save and Close. You can now send the edited PDF for signatures, download it for your records, or share it with your team. Everything remains securely stored in your Docusign account. And that's it. Your full 2025 guide to editing PDFs using Docusign. With these steps, you can quickly update any document without juggling multiple apps. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech how-tos every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.